Hi, I'm JD, and I put another problem on the board. We're going to do factoring. So factor 48x to the fourth y squared plus 36x squared y cubed. Pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, first thing you always do is GCF. So first look at the numbers. You have 48 and 36. Let's say that you did not know the GCF, right? So what you can do is do a factor tree. So you have 48. Well, you know that's, just by looking at it, you know it's divisible by 4. That's 4 and 12. 4 could be broken up as 2 and 2. 12 can be broken up as 4 and 3. And then 4 can be broken up further as 2 and 2. 36 is divisible by 4 and 9. Right? Break up the 2, so break up the 4 and the 2 times 2. Break up the 9, 3 times 3. And then you see what they have in common. Okay, it looks like they have a pair of 2's in common. And you're only focusing on the ends of the branches, not in between. And then also this 4, these 3's. So they have a 2 and a 2 and a 3 in common. So that means that the GCF is 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. So let me erase this real quick. Pause the video, copy this down if you need to. So I said 12. Now, finding the variables is easy, right? There's 4 x's here, 2 x's here. How many x's do they have in common? Yeah, 2. So it'd be x squared. And then you have y squared here and y cubed here. How many y's do they have in common? Right, they have 2 y's in common. So when you pull that out, what does that leave you with? Well, you're going to divide, right? So 12 goes into 48 4 times. You're dividing this by this, so you subtract, that'll be x squared, right? When you're dividing, you subtract the powers. Same thing with here, it's just going to cancel out. Plus, how many times does 12 go into 36? Right, 3. How many times does x, when I pull out 2 x's, right, I'm left with 0. So that's just going to be 1, it's just going to cancel out. Then I have 3 y's here, I take out 2 y's, that leaves me with 1 y. Now, if you want to double check yourself, always go in reverse. Now, in a multiple choice state test, what they're going to do sometimes is they might do a common factor, but might not be the greatest common factor. So once you do it, if you see that, okay, there's more numbers that you can take out here that they have in common, that means you need to go further in taking out more factors. If this was, let's say 8 and 6, I would then have to take out a 2, right? Because there's still a GCF here, I still need to pull that out. If it says factor completely, that's what you have to do. If not, it's going to mark it wrong. All right, and that's it.